Hey guys, it's Bill Mascas, MarineMax Stuart. Today I'm going to show you this awesome 420 Outrage. It's a 2025 brand new boat powered with quad 400s. We do have this boat in other versions with triple 600s, different colors, so don't hesitate to ask us. Let's go up and I'll show you around. So we are up on board. Quad 400 joystick motors with electric actuators. You have a flush system, so you only need to connect your hose once on the transom, and you freshwater wash your 4 engines. You have the premium upholstery. It's the sea gray with a very nice design. You have actually on this boat 2 seats, one here and one over the other side. 2 tables to complement this area, and of course you have the electric sunshade that pops out and covers this whole area while you're grilling or while you're eating or fishing for the same matter. Right now we have the summer kitchen station open with a sink, your grill, double refrigerators, cabinets in the middle. There is an option for a second light well, but you do have your main light well back there. Huge dive door right over here. Then when you're done cooking, you can close it up, and then 42 gives you basically 6 to 7 people sitting under the hardtop, just on the flip of the seat. There is AC. You see the 6 nozzles over here. Beautiful teak appointments on all the backs of the seats. Give it a very nice, rich look. And then going forward to the helm. 3 seats wide. The outer seats flip around. Give you an idea what's happening. So if you want to extend your social area with the aft seat, both the outer seats can be flipped over the other side. The helm seat is electrically controlled forward and back. Obviously the joystick control and your pinnacles for the motors. This boat in addition has a bow thruster as well as the joystick. Triple Simrad unit, 16-inch. AC over here at the helm as well. Everything you would ever want basically on the helm is right at your reach. Going forward, very nice wide access from both sides. Now I've removed the cushions, but you can picture you have 3 wide lounge right over here. If you wanted to join the table and not having and have some back support, you can lift this up, so you can have 2-3 people sitting over here, 4 or 5 people all around. The table goes up and down electrically. Storage underneath both sides, and if you wanted to lounge, you have the lounge seats both sides. Nice large anchor and windlass. They stored right over there on the front. Underneath here, you have a nice cooler storage. Then you have more storage underneath here with additional sunshade for the bow, on top of the electrically actuated on the back. So a lot of space, very nicely hidden all over there, all around. You can see up on top you have FLIR, you have the radar, you have the spotlight, and of course we're on a fishing boat. You have your outriggers. Let's go quickly downstairs. can have nice protected seating for 6 to 8 people over here. It converts into a sleeping area. This is a backrest that you see now is flipped up, but you appreciate the full length of this either bed or storage area behind that backrest that is flipped up right now. Then you have your galley right over here with a refrigerator, sink, microwave, TV. Right across, you have behind those cabinets is your 120 volt and 12 volt fusing, and right over here you have a very nice size head. I hope you enjoyed this short presentation of the 420 Outrage. It's Bill Masquez, MarineMax and Stuart. Give me a call, 203-808-5088, or just visit us on our website. Thank you so much.